Let's make street-style Ragada Chaat recipe. 50 ml cooking oil. 1 chopped onion, 1 green chilli chopped, 1 big tomato chopped. Sauté all ingredients well. Then add 2 spoon ginger garlic paste. Mix it well until raw smell goes away. Then add 1 spoon coriander powder. Add 1 spoon cumin powder. Add 1/3 spoon turmeric powder. Add 2 spoon red chilli powder. Sauté it well. Then add 2 spoons salt. Then add 150 grams boiled chickpeas in its water. Mix it well. Then smash it well. Then add 150 grams chickpeas with remaining water. Then mix it well. Then add chopped parsley leaves. Then sauté it well for 2 minutes. Before serving, garnish with barik save, chopped onion, chopped tomato, and few parsley chopped. Dazzling some chaat masala, according to taste. Then add curd. Then add barik save. Enjoy delicious Ragada Chaat.